Hey everyone, I started a job without you, but I thought you guys might be interested in seeing what I'm up to. Got my wheel horse back here, and I've been mowing with it. Pretty hardcore, rugged terrain on my pasture, and it's really been taking a beating, but it's been doing good over the years. But just recently, the wheel on the mower deck kind of busted, at least the mount busted. There was some rust underneath, so I ended up having to take off the deck. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing. Okay, the mount for this wheel is what broke, and I ended up taking the deck off to see it, and you can see the metal just rusted, so the mount just came through. So now what I'm going to try to do is take off these bolts, push this down, and maybe put a plate here. All right, all of that is what I pulled out from the bottom of the mower deck. I think I need to make it an annual thing to clean it, but I'm going to try to get that bolt off now. That might not work. Nothing's left of that bolt, it looks like. Well, I might try vice grips, but I might have to just cut it off. So here you can see where this mount was. This goes here, and then without this vice grips, of course, you can move this up and down according to how high you want it. So what I need to do is firm this up somehow And it looks like I might be able to put a piece of steel on this side and either weld it here or just sandwich it on the back side. But the trouble is finding a piece of steel. No luck. I think the nut is getting in the way here. Cut all the way through. So I might have to get a new disc on here. Hang tight. Now that's a new disc. One. I'm going to let the air compressor build up pressure. I didn't get all the way through the nut. release the nut. There's the bracket that I need to have a new piece of metal put on. And once I get a piece of metal on this side, give it something to bolt onto, should be good as new. Well, I looked around my property and I didn't have any metal that would work just right. And even if I did have metal, I wouldn't be able to weld onto that thin stuff, at least with my welding skills and stick welder. So I happened to see a welding number on a cardboard sign. So I called the guy and took it to him and he fixed me up. Let me show you what he did. Here's the back of it, and this is actually stainless steel that he used, and it's not going to go anywhere. And you can see he even had a little rough time going on to that thin metal, but I think this will work fine. And the other side, nothing too pretty. Did put a coat of primer on it, so I'm actually gonna maybe add some more primer and add some red paint. So I should be good to go. And I am going to order some new wheels for this thing and sharpen the blades while I'm at it. Until next time.